Hello, welcome to How to Draw Odi the Coyote with me, Anisi, illustrator of Odi's Library Day and designer of Odi the Coyote. So let's grab some materials and get started. You'll need a piece of paper and some drawing materials. I'll be using some colored pencils, but you can use any material you like, such as crayons or colored markers. We'll start by drawing Odi's head. We'll be using some simple shapes, so draw a nice round shape for Odi's head. And it could look like an oval, that's okay. And next, another shape but smaller for the snout. And then draw a smaller round shape for the nose, and you can fill that in. I'm switching to a darker colored pencil. If you have one, you can use black or a dark brown. And we're going to draw the eyes. So 2 small round shapes, about the same distance from the sides of the face so that it looks even. And then some lines going from the snout to the outside of the cheek to show where Odi's fur goes from dark to light. And I'm going to use a red colored pencil for Odi's mouth. Next, we're going to draw the ears, and for this, you'll need to draw a couple of triangles. I'm going back to the red color and starting on Odi's t-shirt. You can draw 2 smaller squares for the sleeves and a bigger one for the body of the t-shirt, about almost as wide as Odi's face. Now I switch back to the brown color and draw in the bottom of Odi's body. And next we're going to draw Odi's legs. You can draw them like a tube coming out from the bottom. And we're going to do something similar for the arms, just a little bit skinnier, and drawing in some straps for Odi's backpack and some of the backpack that you can see behind Odi. And lastly, I'm going back to the brown so I can draw in Odi's tail. And now is a chance to add your own flair. I always like to put some pink cheeks on Odi, so I used a pink colored pencil and scribbled some pink under eyes where the cheeks are. And now you have a line drawing of Odi. At this point, if you would like, you can start filling in the color of Odi. So I used my brown and started filling in the face. I liked leaving a little bit of white around the eyes just to show some lighter fur surrounding Odi's eyes. And then continue on filling the rest of the face and the outside of the ears, as well as the arms, the body, and the legs. And don't forget the tail. Continue filling in as much color as you want and whatever color you would like. So I finished filling in the t-shirt and the backpack. And when you feel like you're done, go ahead and sign your name to the work and be proud of the Odi that you drew. Congratulations, now you have your own Odi drawing.